What's up, guys? Welcome back to X3. Today I'm going to be seeing how many 3x3 Rubik's Cubes I can solve in 3 minutes. I did this with 2x2s and the video turned out pretty good, so I'm going to try it with 3x3s. Alright, I'm going to get started. Cube number 2. Darn it, that's a +2, so I don't know. Leave a comment down below if you think this should count as solved. But the answer to the question, I was able to solve 4 Rubik's Cubes in 3 minutes, and plus this one. So yeah, leave a like if you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.